Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. Already seem to be improving. The squeeze momentum indicator, for instance, pictured the first green bar in more than 2 weeks. Furthermore, with the ADX climbing above 25.0, the active trend could see more strength, provided the trend changes to an uptrend. In fact, there is an actual possibility of recovery beyond just positive price indicators, as investors' sentiment is now at its best since the crash in December. As soon as the same turns positive, the possibility of a rally recovery would become stronger. However, to draw investors back in, Polkadot will need to show some sustainability. Currently, the market value of Polkadot is stuck under the bearish zone under 1.0. Also, the returns on investments are negative beyond acceptance. Ergo, once that changes, Polkadot might just be in a significantly better position on the price charts. And second news, the evidence in favor of Polkadot's price action being an outlier. The market always moves in waves. And, for Polkadot, this wave has been mercilessly pushing the price lower since November. A far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform on a different chain, using their NFT as collateral. Interoperable NFTs would also help to accelerate adoption, others believe. At present, the NFT landscape is quite fractured. While most are based on the Ethereum blockchain, there are many that are not. That has led to the rise of multiple NFT marketplaces for each type of token, adding confusion to the space for new users. By making it possible for NFTs to teleport onto other chains, Polkadot and Kusama will help to eliminate much of the confusion around them and accelerate adoption. And second news today about Polkadot Parachain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama Parachain Hub Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Hyco Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Hyco's vision as an integrated DeFi parachain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot parachain. In fact, the project combines not one but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for parachain auctions. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Gavin Wood made multi-chain NFTs a reality on Polkadot and Kusama. Polkadot and Kusama have become the first blockchains to enable multi-chain NFTs, following a key update to its consensus mechanism. The update, which enables support for NFTs on the cross-consensus message format, XCM, will make it possible for the non-fungible tokens to be teleported from one chain to another, and then tracked across chains. Polkadot announced the update via Twitter, and discussed the technical specifics in a post on GitHub. The Polkadot blockchain is ideally suited to implement such a capability, as its whole premise is to solve the problem of a lack of interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot is an extensive network that comprises not only its main blockchain but also paired chains, of which there will eventually be 100. The paired chains all support different use cases and protocols and run in parallel with the main Polkadot chain, with the key advantage being that it's possible to transfer any asset, token or data between them. Kusama, wherein all of the data on a message transfer is sent through Polkadot's or Kusama's relay chain. Doing this allows every parachain on those networks to verify those messages, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any 2 parachains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for around them and accelerate adoption. Polkadot Parachain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama pair chain hub parallel finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Heiko Finance, which is parallel finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Heiko's vision as an integrated DeFi pair chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot pair chain. In fact, the project combines not one, but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for pair chain auctions. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot DOT a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot DOT prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.